Buying dividend stocks on Webull is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can buy dividend stocks on Webull. So in order to do that, you need to follow these instructions. So the first thing that you have to do is you actually need to log into your, Webull website, and then you just have to, search for the stock that you want to buy. You can actually use the ticker symbol or company name in the Webull search bar. And the next step should be review the stock details. We will provide comprehensive information on each stock, including its price, charts, dividend history, and analyst ratings. You just have to analyze the information according to you. And the step four is decide your investment amount. Just decide how much you want to invest the specific stock. After deciding it, just place your order by clicking on buy button and choose either a limited order or a market order. So the sixth step should be review your details and confirm your purchase. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.